We thank God for this Tuesday, as most Tuesdays, as we honor St. Anthony of Padua. And more importantly, on this particular day, we honor Our Lady of Lourdes. And we all know how popular this place in France has been a very popular destination for healing, for pilgrimages, more specifically to ask for healing. Healing not just physically, but more importantly, the inside. We pray for that cleansing effect of the waters of Lourdes as we thank God. The gospel today speaks to us about hypocrisy, how we honor God. We have rituals, we have all sorts of celebrations, panglabas, hindi sa loob. These people honor me with their lips, but their hearts are far away from me. In vain do they worship me, teaching as doctrines human precepts. Nakakatakot ang mga ritual Kasi yung mga ritual, ang feeling natin sa ritual, nagdasal na ako, ang dami kong ritual, ang dami ko. Pero pag walang puso yung ginagawa natin, it is a sham, it is a mistake, it is an insult. Kasi panlabas, pero wala yung loob. Napakahalaga yung loob. Higit na mas mahalaga yung loob kaysa sa labas. But this world puts too much emphasis on outside, all the rituals. Kaya magandang paalala sa atin ngayon, sa araw na ito, we pray for healing, especially for what is inside. We ask the good Lord to cleanse us, to purify us in all our deeds. We do not offer lip service. Kasi ritual, I am in control. Oral prayers, I just recite, Nagawa ko na yung tungkulin ko, lahat na ng panalangin, dinasal ko na, But it is my control. Hawak ko yung Panginoon. Actually, hawak ko yung Panginoon. Kaya ko siya paikutin because I am in control. But it is a matter of the heart, which is a very personal matter. Healing, also our faith, rather. Faith is a very personal matter. It is a relationship. And a relationship is very difficult if it is only a ritual. Wala namang ugnayan That is why it is very, very important to be reconciled in confession. Kaya nga, paulit-ulit, ang kumpisal ay balik loob. Pag nasa loob, may ugnayan. Pag nasa labas, what relationship is there? Nasa labas tayo ng puso ni Jesus. So how can we continue worshiping if our relationship is outside Jesus? Sa labas ng puso ni Jesus dahil sa epekto ng kasalanan sa atin. We can only truly have our ritual, a meaningful ritual, pag nasa loob tayo ng puso ni Jesus. Pag nasa labas ng puso ni Jesus, it is just an empty shell, an empty ritual. It is not easy, but that is the challenge of what is reminded of us. What is inside is what is outside. Kahapon, I was with I will not tell her name. I was with a very wonderful lady, very joyful, nakakahawa, She is already advanced in age, very, very joyful. And slowly, her mind is slipping away. Parang marami na siyang nakakalimutan, Pero dahil sa loob, kagandahan ng loob, because the inside is good, nakakatuwa talaga, nakakahawa, because of the radiance that comes out of her smile, in her actions, because of that radiance, nakakatuwa. Kung ano yung nasa loob, yun yung lalabas. Kung lagi nakasimangot, kasi nasa loob, di ba? Pero kung lagi nakangiti, lagi magandang disposisyon, kasi yun yung nasa loob. We pray that the inside and the outside is balance. Hindi balance. Hindi puros panglabas. We pray that our rituals, our ceremonies, our greetings are truly acts of love. Hindi lang panlabas. May the good Lord cleanse us, heal us, especially as we honor the Mother of God, Our Lady of Lourdes.